Hello everybody, it is December 22nd, 2019. Merry Christmas, coming up fast. I'm out here at the little tank today with another motor. It's been a while. This is the first motor I've actually had a chance to work on since about August. Things have been kind of crazy, but anyway, I picked this one up over the summer from Facebook Marketplace. This is a 1957 Evinrude Fastwin electric start, 18 horse. I don't have my starting battery charged at the moment. It's on the charger now, but I'm just going to rope this over. This will be the first start since I've owned it. When I bought this motor, it had the original coils in it still. It was still sparking on both cylinders, but it was the coils were shot. So I got a new set of BRP coils and a new OEM tune-up kit, points, condensers. I rebuilt the carb with a new OEM carb kit, replaced the fuel lines, air line, cleaned the fuel filter, new spark plugs, and resealed the gear case, put all new seals in it, shift rod, O-ring, drive shaft seal, prop shaft seal, spaghetti seal, new lube, and this got a whole new water pump kit, new housing, wear plate, and impeller. So we got the whole works. And this is going to, like I said, this is going to be the first start, so it is a cold start. I have not yet started this motor since I have owned it. So we are going to see how it goes. Alright, I probably should have put the test wheel on this, but I didn't, so it's still got the regular prop on it. I won't be able to wind it up too fast in the tank. It'll spew water everywhere. Don't have a lot of fuel in the tank, so it may not be. Yeah, it's a little pressure in there. All right. Not bad, first start in 2 pulls. Seems to be doing okay now. Got the carb setting on the idle as rich as I can go without moving the knob, so. New water pump's doing a good job. Forward. Reverse. not too bad for just initial adjustments and not really doing anything. This should be a really good one. Probably a little lean on the idle because it's chilly out. It's a nice day today for mid-December or late December, but still it's colder than it is in the summertime. So anyway, looking forward to getting this one on the boat next season. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.